I'm Danielle.
I'm Caitlyn.
And we're Our Time of the Month.
And if you're just joining us, we film lifestyle videos, and today is an Aldi haul.
It is. We love Aldi.
I don't know if they have Aldis everywhere. If you don't, it is a
discount grocery store.
Yes.
Sometimes you do find name brand items there.
Yes.
It's not guaranteed. The deals cannot be beat.
A lot of the time you will actually find direct duplicates of name brand products that are under the Aldi brand.
Yes.
So you will see some of them here, and it's a great deal. We highly recommend it.
Everything is great quality too, so don't let discount throw you off.
Right.
When you're thinking about discount food.
But I will also say Aldi has been around for a really long time, but I think in the last 5 years, they've gone through a major brand revamp, and they've really worked out the kinks of making a discount grocery store be an amazing shopping experience.
Yes.
This is not sponsored.
I wish.
We are literally just talking about shit we love.
Right. Everybody's gotta buy food.
Yes. So these are the only we're doing a low spend 2019. Groceries are one of the only hauls that we are allowed to do. Not allowed. It's one of the only hauls we're doing.
Yeah. You can find produce, meat, dry packaged goods, frozen foods, homeware,
seasonal items,
cleaning supplies, pretty much anything you need for your house.
So I will say obviously their selection is a lot smaller. They usually only have maybe even sometimes only one type of a thing, like pepper jack cheese. They got one kind of pepper jack cheese. There's not a bunch of brands selling the same stuff.
And they put everything from the pallet in its box on the shelves or on the floor. That's how you pick it. It saves them money. You also need a quarter for your shopping cart. That saves them money as well. You get your quarter back at the end, but they don't have to pay someone to go collect all the carts that everyone has left about, and you bring your own bags. That's the other tip.
And you pack it yourself.
Pack it yourself.
Because it is efficient.
And it's quick.
Yeah, and I will say, I think most people don't have as overflowing of shopping carts as you do at a regular grocery store because there's just less to buy. So usually if I go to Aldi, I will also sometimes have to go to another store to pick up specialty items, but I can usually get easily a week's worth of groceries without making another stop. If I'm making a specific recipe that involves especially like culturally specific ingredients, then yeah, I usually have to go to another grocery store. But in general, good to go.
So we're gonna show you what we picked up this week.
Yes.
That's not that good.
Oh, look at that freaking mat though. That's adorable.
Oh, you know, I should change out my Halloween.
You should. I agree.
Radiance disinfectant wipes.
Knock off Lysol.
Or Clorox.
Oh, true. What is it?
So Ellie was pork. And it is so good, but I've never seen these with although those look like pecans, no, walnuts.
Oh, that cold smoked. Oh, salmon pastrami. Grab me a package of that.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks good, Caitlyn. Oh, it's on sale, $3.99.
Salmon pastrami is one. Oh, it's the last one. Oh my god, it's literally the best.
That's the only Easter candy I care about.
So good.
It's the only Easter candy I care about. I love it. You want a bag?
Yeah, I do.
How are you gonna say that? I'm excited. I'm gonna eat these in the car.
Eggs are 99 cents.
Is that good?
I'm kidding.
For a dozen?
Yeah.
That's insane. That's actually
We're gonna go home now and show you everything we got. We are tired.
Very tired.
We are gonna run through these groceries.
Lickety boo.
What?
Tickety boo.
Never. Oh God, you're in a mood. Okay, Danielle's gonna go first. She's gonna show you everything she bought.
And when you see the final spread, put in the comments what your guess is for total.
And guess before we tell you, don't cheat.
We'll tell you at the very end. Don't be fast forwarding.
Our town of the month does not lack a cheater.
Once a cheater, always a cheater. So we're gonna start with dairy. I usually don't buy their shredded cheese, but today I did. I oftentimes just will buy a block and we will shred it ourselves. Mike is really good at it because he's so strong.
So strong.
I got string cheese. I take one of these for a snack in my lunch almost every single day. I also picked up the Greek non-fat vanilla yogurt. Last week or the week before, I purchased the Greek yogurt from Costco, but it was not flavored and I just wanted a little bit of sweetness this week. That's awesome.
Spice it up.
Queso fresco. I did not see the cotija cheese, so I got this, and we make a Mexican street corn salad, and I think that'll be a nice replacement. What else? Eggs, 99 cents a dozen.
I may or may not have freaked out over this deal today.
Yeah, so I got 2 of those. I think they do have a limit on eggs. I think you could get 6.
It was 3 today.
Oh, 3 today.
Because it was on sale.
Good deal, yeah. Cream cheese was 69 cents.
No way.
Yeah, it was. And this tastes just the same and looks just the same as Philadelphia. Avocados were 59 cents each. That's a great deal as well.
Great deal.
I got a bag of spinach. Very fresh. Wonderful. We eat it all the time. The seedless cucumbers are 99 cents. And I like these. I just think they taste better than a waxy traditional cucumber. A whole pound of asparagus. It's triple washed. You know, you can't go wrong. This is something that I really love to stock up on when I go to Aldi. The green onions, 89 cents a pack. It's a very large package. I think it's bigger than a bunch that you would buy in a store and put it in your own bag. So this is something we go through a lot. I cheated and I got the fresh peeled garlic in a bag. Mike and I bought it a couple of months ago while we didn't finish the bag because it went bad before. It was just so nice to reach into the refrigerator and have garlic ready. It was just a nice convenience. $2. A bag of stoplight peppers. I'm not sure how much they were, but it's certainly cheaper than at a traditional grocery store. I had a cauliflower, I think was $2. We like to roast this in the oven. I put like a nice Asian marinade on it, and Mike and I both really love it. It almost tastes like a snack and not a vegetable. 4 heads of artisan lettuce. Caitlyn said when she picked it up, it felt very heavy. It does. I use 1 head per salad, and I go into the office 4 days a week, so this is a week's worth of salad for me. The Wild Wonders tomatoes. We love the tricolored tomatoes in this house. I know Caitlyn likes them too, and they are cheaper here than they are at a traditional grocery store. This is one of my favorite deals ever. They do this often. A whole bag of lemons for $1.89, and they look great. Look how nice they look. We use these. I put them in water. We put it on the asparagus or other vegetables and cocktails. Half and half. Always a good deal. Today, Caitlyn found this organic cold brew coffee, single origin Colombian, and we both decided to give it a try. Sometimes I just don't want hot coffee. The weather's warming up. We'll see. Drano, because my downstairs bathroom smells like literal shit. It does. Something's going on with the shower. I got the Brilliance disinfectant wipes, lemon scented. These are just generic version of Clorox or Lysol wipes. They were $2 for this entire huge container. A bag of steamed broccoli florets. We put these in stir fry. Mike likes to take it with his lunch. Bag of these are frozen, by the way. Super sweet corn. I was talking about that Mexican street corn salad. I use that. Okay? Something wrong? Oh. Robin eggs.
Oh, that was like
special.
That was like the winner of the day.
It was. And we also got Easter egg dye. We're gonna maybe film a video on this. Cards for my niece and nephews. I got sliced pickled beets. I put these on my salad every single day. I love them so much. They had today an entire pallet of the Olive Garden Italian dressing for $2.99.
Personal fave.
Personal fave in the OTM households. I also picked this up. I didn't really need it, but plum fruit spread. I love plums. They're one of my favorite fruits. And then we get to the garbage. Garbage. Mike loves these because he likes the Girl Scout equivalent caramel coconut fudge cookie. I had one for the first time. Delicious. Samoa.
You had never fucking had one?
No.
Oh my God, they're the best.
Orange Jaffa cakes.
Oh,
we watch a lot of British people and they always buy this at their grocery stores, so we got them today.
But these are German, which I think is really funny.
Yeah, I'm excited. It's a sponge cake cookie. Apple strudel breakfast bread. Didn't need it, but it just smelled so dang good. And then last but not least, a variety pack of instant oatmeal when we're in a hurry. I don't really like any of the flavors except for cinnamon spice, but Mike likes the others. I also picked up a pack that I've already put away of LaCroix water. It was cheaper.
And we will tell you at the end how much Danielle's total was. Make your guesses
make your guess below.
now.
And don't mind all this crap on the floor because it's all Caitlyn's.
So I obviously got significantly less stuff than Danielle. I still have a lot of food left not a lot of food. I have enough left from last week to sort of mix and match. So I just got what I absolutely needed. I also did not go in with a list. I haven't planned any recipes for this week. I sort of just wung it, but I got all my necessary items. The first two things, I have pretty much stopped drinking LaCroix and I almost exclusively drink the Aldi brand sparkling water. I got grapefruit and lemon, but I also like the lime.
The lemon is so good. Unexpectedly good.
It's genuinely lemony.
Yeah.
Which I think is great. And then, they're unsweetened, they're 0 calories. I love it. I also got some gallon Ziploc bags, nothing exciting. Like Danielle said, and our time of the month favorite, it is the Italian dressing. Hazelnut coffee, we tried it for the first time this morning. It was actually very good. All three of us agreed, it was surprising. On to produce. I have not been eating fruit because I've been trying to eliminate sugar, but I have been craving citrus fruits. Oranges, clementines, I smell them with my roommate and my coworker. As soon as they peel, I'm like, I want that. So I just went ahead and got some cuties. Mushrooms, some of the artisanal lettuce, and then I also got iceberg because I like to mix both the artisanal lettuce and then I get the crunch of the iceberg. 2 things of eggs, which seems like a lot for one person, but I eat a lot of eggs, and they were such a good deal for 99 cents. They will last well over like a month.
We hard boil them and use them as snacks.
Exactly. I hard boil because I probably will eat like 2 in the morning and then actually 1 on my salad at lunch. Seems like I got a lot of eggs. I don't care. It works. For dairy, I got some low-fat cottage cheese. You know what? Friendly Farms doesn't make the dill kind. It's Hood, but it's the exact same packaging. Okay. I've been eating this as a snack, and I'll put in some like seasonings to make it a little more flavorful. So this was, Danielle wanted me to try this because she can't eat walnuts, but it is the complete banana nut bread quark. And
Let us know how it is.
It has walnuts, chocolate chips, and some other stuff to go on the top of it. It's massive, so I think I might try and make it last for 2 snacks because it's also 400 calories, which is like almost an entire meal. Pepper jack cheese, which I can just like slice up and eat as a snack. I use dairy products as a snack a lot of the time, either at about 10:30 or 11 or like 3 p.m. if I'm feeling a little peckish.
Same.
We did find this cold brew coffee. We're gonna give it a try just to have on hand. And then I got some hazelnut creamer. Again, it's something that I really have not been consuming because of the added sugar, but I felt like a little treat. Cold smoked pastrami salmon. You cannot find this. There's a restaurant that I love in Ellicott City. They make their own pastrami salmon and they put it on top of a salad with like a mustard sherry vinegar vinaigrette and pretzel croutons. It's so good, and so I figured I might try and replicate that a little bit.
And that was $3.99, I think. It was very affordable.
Yeah, I mean, it's not a ton of salmon. It's only 3 ounces, but that's still probably 2 to 3 servings, or actually a little bit more. It was the last package, so I grabbed it from Danielle. Got some applewood smoked bacon, and then I got some tortillas because I was sick and ate my roommate, so I had to buy them for her.
And then you made us quesadillas.
Yes, so these are actually just a pan back, and that is it.
Wonderful.
Now is when you need to guess my total down below. My grand total was $51.40.
And mine was $93.25. I think that's very reasonable.
I mean, that's perfect for me to try and, if I'm trying to keep my budget between $150 to $200 a month on groceries, I'm right there. I'm good to go.
Yeah, if I shop at Aldi every single week, once a week, I can be under my grocery budget.
Yeah.
Because I do buy my meat at Costco and we freeze it, so we save money that way.
Yeah, but if you have, thank you for watching.
Yeah.
If you shop at Aldi or you have a discount grocery store in your area, let us know. We'd love to hear about it. I've heard Kroger is fantastic.
I love Kroger. That's a West Virginia staple.
Heard great things about it. I would love to try one.
Caitlyn and I love to watch grocery hauls. We should have prefaced this video with that.
Yes.
But they're very relaxing for us. There is something to be said about watching someone do a mundane task like grocery shopping.
Absolutely.
You don't have to think about it. It's just relaxing for us. We love it.
Watch our last video.
Watch our next video.
did I say watch our next video? Anyway, watch them all.
Yeah, we love you and thank you so much for watching as always.
Hit that thumbs up, ring that bell, turn on our notifications for every new video.
Yeah.
And we will see you in the next one.
Bye.